Hey, J-Bros popping in here. Should have a fun one today. As you guys know from last year that I followed the channel, I have a cover for this. Well, we're getting pounded with snow right now. I'm not going to put my cover on today, but more than likely I'll have to move snow again tomorrow. So I'm going to get my cover on and go through that and link that in the description down below for anybody that's not seen that video. And then I want to do a special shout out to John, a phenomenal patron of mine. He had given me some really phenomenal inside information on the hydraulic controls. So I actually have a kind of mental idea what I'm looking at, because what I was doing probably is going to work temporarily, maybe, but I'll do a deep dive in on the control down the road. I can't do it right now just because I need the skid and I'm moving stuff around. But other than that, everything on here with the side covers for the hydraulics, I'm going to give it a little test on that today, see how we do. But yeah, mini skid should be ready to rock and roll. I'm super excited, and honestly, I'm looking forward to 2026. I just have a real good feeling that the content that I'm going to be bringing, the more details, just broader, better stuff is coming. But I appreciate you guys so much, and keep bringing the information to me, because I don't know everything. And the more you guys can help me out, learn, and get better, the more information I can get out to you guys. So I appreciate that, but let's get skidding. You bet. You just check it right there. Yeah, it's just a beautiful winter wonderland here. No wind right now. I know the wind's supposed to pick up later. And the main reason why I'm going to go hit up this driveway down the way for me is because Buddy picked up a property, and we're going to need the dump trailer down there. So I'm going to go clear his drive, and then I'm going to bring the dump trailer down there and get prepped up for that. And that way, when I go do the snow on my drive tomorrow again, it'll be easy for me to clear my own driveway. Anyway, I'm going to buzz down there, and I'll pop back on when we're over there.